in the back. There it is. I can't see it, it's too dark. We're heading out fishing here. Running late. It's 4:52. I'm gonna pick up my mom. And we're gonna head out to the lake. Long ears. They're like rabbits. Find another spot. Oh yeah. This was a bit closer than where I was last time. But it was like right underneath here, but boat probably scared him away. Oh my gosh. Remove it. That's definitely it. Just can't get any closer. I'd like to be up a little bit more. Does it feel like it's moving? Mom. I didn't bring my net. It's a good one. I'm trying to boat flip him. Oh, I don't think I can. He's too big. Oh, hang on here. Oh, I forgot to bring it. Oh, but look at him. He got some shit on him. You think? Put him in there. Yeah, about a 2-pounder. Oh, got a bite. Mm-hmm. I think it might be a crappie. Oh!
What is it?
It's a basser.
Nice.
A little one.
That's okay. Little ones fry up just fine.
Open her up. That means I should get a bigger bait on.